Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Bluestacks' latest installer and virtualization enabled in BIOS. Once done, run the installer and choose the minimal/custom install path to avoid default Google prompts. Make sure to uncheck any sign in with Google or related options when they appear. You'll create or use a local Android environment instead of a Google account. This upfront setup prevents automatic account enforcement and keeps the process focused on app-side authentication or APK sideloading. Once the emulator is running, go to Bluestacks System Apps and open Settings to disable any Google Services prompts. Then enable unknown sources so you can sideload APKs directly. This is crucial because you're avoiding Play Store sign-in. Drag and drop APK files onto the Bluestacks window or use Media Manager to import them. Make sure to review app permissions before launching. If an app requires Google Play services, consider installing a micro G package or using versions that don't depend on Google Authentication. To finish, launch each app and confirm it works without Google account tokens. If an app fails due to Play services, you can try a trusted micro G build or find an APK variant that avoids Google APIs. Once done, lock your setup with a snapshot or backup in Bluestacks to save time later. If something breaks, clear the app data or reinstall the APK. If persistent, enable diagnostic logs from help, restart the emulator, and revert to a snapshot. This usually resolves configuration conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.